Hi everyone, welcome to this video on the importance of penetration testing. Penetration testing, also known as pen testing, is an essential tool for identifying security vulnerabilities in your organization's systems and networks. In this video, we will discuss what penetration testing is, why it is important, and how you can perform it. What is penetration testing? Penetration testing is a process of identifying and exploiting security vulnerabilities in a computer system, network, or application. It involves simulating an attack on your own system to identify weaknesses that attackers may exploit. This is done by using various tools and techniques that hackers use to penetrate systems. Why is penetration testing important? The importance of penetration testing cannot be overstated. Hackers are constantly developing new and sophisticated techniques to exploit security vulnerabilities. Performing regular penetration testing helps to identify vulnerabilities before attackers do. This helps to minimize the risk of cyber attacks and data breaches, which can be costly and damaging to your organization's reputation. How to perform penetration testing? Penetration testing can be performed using various techniques and tools, such as vulnerability scanning, network mapping, and password cracking. In this video, we will briefly discuss the steps involved in performing a penetration test. Step 1. Planning and scoping. The first step in performing a penetration test is to plan and scope the test. This involves defining the objectives of the test, the systems and networks to be tested, and the rules of engagement. Step 2. Information gathering. The next step is to gather information about the target systems and networks. This involves performing reconnaissance to identify the IP addresses, ports, and services that are running on the systems. Step 3. Vulnerability scanning. Once the information has been gathered, the next step is to scan for vulnerabilities. This involves using tools to identify vulnerabilities in the target systems and networks. Step 4. Exploitation. Once vulnerabilities have been identified, the next step is to exploit them. This involves using tools and techniques to gain access to the target systems and networks. Step 5. Reporting. The final step is to document the findings and report them to the relevant stakeholders. This helps to identify the areas that need to be addressed to improve the security of the organization's systems and networks. Conclusion. In conclusion, penetration testing is an essential tool for identifying security vulnerabilities in your organization's systems and networks. Performing regular penetration testing helps to minimize the risk of cyber attacks and data breaches, which can be costly and damaging to your organization's reputation. Remember, it's better to identify vulnerabilities before attackers do. So, don't hesitate to hack your own system. Thanks for watching.